So I wanted to just open up the vlog. It's Sunday, so you're gonna see my Sunday reset. I've kind of already started. I'm washing clothes. I've ordered some groceries from Publix, like my produce and my meats and stuff, because that's where I like to get that from. But it wasn't a whole lot. It was just like, I got some steaks that I'm gonna cook on the grill today. I'm gonna do baked potatoes and some broccolini, which the baked potatoes and the broccolini I'm gonna do here in the oven. Aunt Flo is here, so I'm not trying to do a whole lot. That's why I'm trying to get it done now, because for the rest of the day, I just want to be sitting down doing nothing. But then I have another order at Food Line currently that's being shopped, and that has like more just the snackier things, just like more of my son's like snacks and stuff, which I'm also in transition of trying to find healthier snacks for him. Because I saw a post on Instagram how they were talking about how you know, all the high fructose corn syrup is in all of like the kids' snacks and the kids' foods and things. And I was like, let me look into that. Now, mind you, my son, he's 2 years old, and those of you who have 2-year-olds know that they are very picky eaters. He pretty much has a box of things that he likes to eat. Okay, so back to what I was saying. Excuse me, so I just wanted to incorporate some more healthier options, basically what I was going to get to. And my groceries have been delivered. They were out of the peanut butter that I wanted, but I just wanted to show you what I did get to try to replace my son's Uncrustables. So I got this Smucker's natural, made with ingredients from a natural source, no high fructose corn syrup, and strawberry. I'm going to try that. This is the bread that I use for my avocado toast, so I'm just going to use it on that. And then for dinner, I give him like the Chips Ahoy, the chewy, the soft kind, and the red pack cookies. But I found this Simple Meals brand. It says crunchy almond flour cookies and chocolate chip. And these are just the ingredients. So as you can see, it's not as many as in like the other cookies. And everything is pretty much, you know, everything that we can pronounce and everything. So I want to try these, see how he likes them. And then also, like I was saying, for breakfast, he eats the toasted strudel, the strawberry. But that also I want to kind of get away from also. And so he has this love-hate relationship with pancakes and stuff, like waffles. Sometimes he likes it, sometimes he doesn't. And so I got this Simple Meals almond flour pancake and waffle mix in the original. And then these are the ingredients in here. And so I want to try to make these. And so what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to make pancakes, but I'm actually going to, hopefully, if I feel up to it, I want to make these today. I just want to make one. I just want to make, I'll say 2 for tomorrow and Tuesday. And see how he likes those. Of course, I will show you all how to make these or what I'm gonna do with them, because all you add is eggs, water, or milk and oil. And I'm gonna do eggs and milk with mine. And then of course I'm gonna add like vanilla and cinnamon and all that other stuff. But I just wanna try it and just see if he likes it, because it's a healthier alternative. These things, because like I said, I'm just trying. I know I don't eat horribly. I don't eat the best, but I do snack. Like I'm a Reese's fanatic, so I do have me a Reese's every day. But I try to eat a lot of fresh vegetables and meats myself. And I know he's a toddler, so I have to be real specific, or I have to be a little not as lenient with his diet, because like I said again, he's just at that stage where sometimes he eats things, sometimes he doesn't. I feel like he actually ate more or had more of a versatile palate when he was smaller, like when we just started like the solid foods. I feel like, and maybe it was because that was a transition from milk to solid foods, but now he's very specific on what he likes and what he eats. And so these are just some things that I want to incorporate and just see how they go. Hopefully they work. Like I said, the whole Smucker's thing, like I've tried the Concord grape. He doesn't like it. And I know Smucker's is the brand that's in the Uncrustables. And when I was searching through my grocery store, I saw they had this brand. And these ingredients, I'm sorry, is strawberry, sugar, fruit pectin, and citric acid. No high fructose corn syrup, no artificial flavors or colors. So like I said, I want to try this. I bought some sandwich bags, and they didn't have the organic peanut butter that I was looking for, so I do have some Jiffy. I'm just gonna use that for now. And I bought some sandwich bags. So just, like I said, my plan is to make him like 2 or so, because I want to try it out, and I really hope he takes to this. But I want to make these pretty much like I do the Uncrustables. So I just want to make the sandwiches and then be able to freeze them. You know, maybe do them like every Sunday, put them in the freezer, and then throughout the week, just as I do with the Uncrustables, every morning when we come downstairs for breakfast, I can just take it out, have it thawed out, and then by the time he's eating lunch, he's good to go. All right, so I have finished cooking the steaks on the grill. They came out like this, so pretty good. And I use my gas grill just because it's easier and it's faster. My dad recently actually bought me one when I moved into this house, so I use that. I have some baked potatoes here in the oven. I just have 2 potatoes because again, it's only me. So I have, sorry y'all, I have the 2 potatoes and they're cooking, and then I'm gonna have some broccolini with it. I was gonna put it on the grill, but it's hot outside and I just don't feel like it, so I'm probably just gonna end up just sauteing this in a pan with some garlic, salt, pepper, butter. Call it a day. I'll probably squeeze some lemon juice on it. Call it a day. So yeah, that's that. I'm getting ready to actually make my son lunch now. But today he's gonna have a regular Uncrustable for lunch. Today he's gonna have a regular Uncrustable. Like I said earlier, my son loves fruit, so he'll have a regular Uncrustable. And then I'll give him some grapes for now, because I do have a watermelon down there, but I haven't sliced it yet. So you have the watermelon. I was telling y'all about the packets that I use. So this is the one that he eats for breakfast. He likes this one, which is the banana berry and veggie smash with oats. He likes this one. He also likes the Wonder Foods, the banana, blueberry, blackberry, and oatmeal one. So these are the 2 that he typically eats for breakfast. I kind of rotate back and forth with those. And then with his dinner, he'll either have the pear and spinach one or the apple, blueberry, and spinach. And like I said, I just have these 2 different kinds of pouches just to make sure that he's getting like those good grains in, and especially these grains in for dinner. So yeah, so I'm gonna stop rambling now, and I'll check back in with you all later. I actually check back in whenever the food is done. When I'm about to eat, I'll show you a picture of my plate. And then also if I do any food prep with the pancakes, because the cookies, and let's look at them together, they're already prepared. So, because I was gonna make him some, but these are already prepared. So let's see what these look like. They smell fine. It looks pretty good. My son is sitting here looking at me, so I'll let him try it and see. He's smiling. He noticed the difference. First of all, it's the texture. Like I said, I'm gonna give him the Chips Ahoy, the chewy kind. So he's already like, I'm sorry, I'm looking and watching him so I can give y'all a opinion from a toddler's perspective on it. He bit into it. Is it yummy? He's eating it. I guess it's pretty good. Yep, he's chewing it. And he's chewing it again. He's going back for a second bite. Okay, so we have a winner here. So yeah, I'm gonna be replacing the chocolate chip, the Chips Ahoy chewy ones with this. He still has some others in there, so I'll probably go back and forth until those are completely done. But then once those are done, these will be the replacement that he'll have for dinner. This is like his dessert that I give him. So this is a winner, guys. All right, let me get lunch prepared. All right, so I just want to show you all really quickly. This is his lunch. He's gonna have some grapes here. This is the Uncrustable. He likes for me to take the crust off, and then I just break it into pieces. And then he just has a handful of Doritos. Oh, and to drink, he'll be drinking water with this. Sauteing for about maybe 3 to 5 minutes on medium. It's getting tender. You see that green color starting to come through. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit of soy sauce, not a whole lot. And soy sauce makes it salty. Just going to mix that in. And then I'm just going to cut this on low. It's pretty much done. I don't want it to be mushy. I like mine kind of crunchy still. I'm just going to turn this on low. Add a little bit of sesame seeds. And that's that. All right, good morning. So it's the next day. So I'm about to prepare my son those pancakes that I was talking about, the Simple Meals one. So for 6 pancakes, it calls for 3/4 cups of mix, 1 egg, 1.5 tablespoon of water or milk, and 1 tablespoon of oil. So I'm gonna get that ready really quickly, and then I'll show you what it looks like, and then I'll let you know if you liked it or not. All right, so, sorry, let me fix y'all. So I made the batter, and since it's supposed to make 6, yeah, I don't know about that, and I accidentally put too much oil in it. But, and I added some vanilla extract in here. I just want to show you what the batter looks like. This is what it looks like. And mind you, this is almond flour pancakes, so I have my pan over here getting hot. I just sprayed some cooking spray inside of it. And so I'm gonna start dropping these pancakes, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. All right, so before I close out this vlog, I wanted to give you a final on the pancakes. So when you put them in the pan and saute them or cook them, however you want to say it, they look like the color of peanut butter, like they're really creamy, kind of like organic, you know, creamy peanut butter. You know, same thing, bubble up, flip them, all that. I tasted them. They taste actually pretty good. I did give them to my son. He had that with the packet that I showed you, and in orange. and he didn't really eat them. But to be honest, I didn't really expect him to. My son is one of those people where you gotta keep giving it to him, and then he'll start to look at it and taste it and be like, oh, okay. Unless it's like sweets, like the cookies, immediately he tasted them. Food, not so much. But yeah, so this is the conclusion of this week's vlog. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more content.